Hi everyone, today I am bringing you a quick and easy version of Ezogelin Soup, a classic from the rich and flavorful world of Turkish cuisine. This comforting soup is made with simple ingredients like red lentils, rice and bulgur, all elevated with a blend of aromatic spices. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and 2 tablespoons of butter in your pressure cooker. Add a grated onion and 2 minced garlic cloves and saute them on medium heat until the onions are soft. Just don't let them burn. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dried mint, 3 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon each of red pepper flakes, paprika and black pepper. Stir it all together and let those spices release their aroma. Now mix in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and cook it for another minute. Then add 1 cup of washed red lentils, 1 tablespoon of rice and 1 tablespoon of bulgur. Stir everything together until well combined. Pour in about 2 liters of water, give it a good stir and close the pressure cooker lid. Once it starts steaming, cook the soup for 10 minutes. If you are using a regular pot, it will take a bit longer, around 30 to 40 minutes, but trust me, it will be worth the wait. And there you have it, a warm, delicious bowl of Ezogelin soup, ready to enjoy. It's hearty, nutritious, and keeps you feeling full for hours. This recipe is proof that simple ingredients can create something truly amazing. I hope you give it a try and love it as much as I do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Dancing Kitchen.